AI apps used to connect to just one model provider. But modern AI systems are different. Today's apps may use GPT-4 for reasoning, Claude for coding, Gemini for long context, and local models for privacy. Suddenly, developers are dealing with a maze of APIs, pricing systems, rate limits, and failures. That's where LiteLLM comes in. LiteLLM has quickly become one of the most important infrastructure layers in the AI ecosystem, acting like a universal gateway between AI applications and hundreds of language models. In this video, we'll explain what LiteLLM is, why it matters, and why AI agents increasingly depend on systems like this behind the scenes. In the early days of modern AI apps, things were surprisingly simple. A developer would build an application, connect it to OpenAI, and send prompts to a single model. One API, one provider, one pricing system. If the model worked well enough, the architecture stayed simple. But that simplicity didn't last for very long. The AI ecosystem exploded. Suddenly, there were dozens of model providers. Some models became better at coding, others became cheaper. Some specialized in speed. Others handled massive context windows. Companies no longer wanted to depend on a single AI vendor, and developers quickly discovered something painful. Every provider had slightly different APIs, authentication systems, streaming behaviors, and capabilities. Managing all of this manually became messy very quickly. This created a new infrastructure problem. Every AI provider looked similar at first glance, but under the hood, they behaved differently. Developers had to write custom integration logic for every model provider. If one provider went down, failover logic had to be written manually. If a company wanted to compare costs between models, they needed additional tracking systems. And once AI agents entered the picture, the complexity became even worse. The ecosystem needed a standard layer in the middle. LiteLLM solves this problem by acting as a universal AI gateway. Instead of every application talking directly to every model provider, the app talks to LiteLLM. LiteLLM then handles the provider-specific complexity behind the scenes. To the developer, everything starts looking like a single consistent interface. That means developers can switch models, add failover, or test new providers with far less engineering work. One of LiteLLM's biggest advantages is normalization. It gives developers a mostly open AI-compatible interface across many different providers. That means developers can often switch models by changing just a few configuration values. Instead of maintaining separate SDK integrations for every AI vendor, teams can centralize everything behind LiteLLM. This dramatically reduces engineering overhead. Modern AI applications rarely use just one model anymore. Different models are good at different tasks. Some are faster, some are cheaper, some reason better. Some handle huge documents. LiteLLM allows applications to intelligently route requests between providers. This transforms AI infrastructure from static model selection into dynamic orchestration. Reliability became another major challenge. AI providers sometimes experience outages, rate limits, or degraded performance. Without an abstraction layer, applications may simply fail. LiteLLM can automatically reroute traffic to backup models. To users, the application may continue working without interruption. This kind of failover behavior is extremely important for enterprise AI systems. As companies scaled AI usage, another problem appeared: cost management. Large organizations may run millions of AI requests every day. Without visibility, costs can quickly become unpredictable. LiteLLM evolved beyond a developer tool into an operational control layer. It now includes usage tracking, budget controls, virtual API keys, and centralized governance features. In many organizations, LiteLLM acts almost like a financial management layer for AI usage. AI agents dramatically increase infrastructure complexity. A single agent may use multiple models during one task. It may call tools, retrieve memory, analyze files, and switch providers depending on the workload. Now imagine hundreds or thousands of agents running simultaneously. Without centralized routing and governance, the system quickly becomes difficult to manage. This is one reason LiteLLM is increasingly seen as part of the AI agent infrastructure stack, not just a simple SDK wrapper. Over time, LiteLLM evolved far beyond its original purpose. What started as a lightweight abstraction library is becoming something much larger, an operational control plane for AI systems. Today, LiteLLM includes routing systems, observability tools, governance controls, and integrations with emerging agent ecosystems. This mirrors how cloud infrastructure evolved years earlier. As AI systems grow more complex, infrastructure layers naturally emerge around them. LiteLLM is part of a much larger industry trend. As AI systems mature, companies are building infrastructure layers around them. Years ago, cloud applications needed API gateways, observability systems, and service meshes. Now AI applications are going through a similar transformation. The rise of AI gateways suggests something important. Large-scale AI systems are no longer experimental. They are becoming real production infrastructure. Of course, no abstraction layer is perfect. Adding another infrastructure layer can introduce additional complexity and latency. Some advanced provider-specific features may not map cleanly into a unified interface. And once a gateway becomes central to the system, it also becomes a critical dependency. Still, for many organizations, the operational benefits outweigh the trade-offs. LiteLLM matters because it reflects a larger transformation happening across the AI industry. AI is no longer just about chatting with a single model. We are entering a world of multi-model systems, autonomous agents, orchestration layers, and enterprise-scale AI operations. As complexity grows, infrastructure becomes essential. And LiteLLM is one of the clearest examples of that shift happening in real time. The future of AI probably won't belong to a single model. Instead, applications will dynamically orchestrate many different models, tools, and services together. That means infrastructure layers like LiteLLM may become just as important as the models themselves. And understanding these infrastructure shifts is increasingly important for anyone building modern AI systems. Thanks for watching. If you want to dive deeper into AI infrastructure, here are some of our suggested sequel topics. We can compare LiteLLM with alternatives like OpenRouter and Portkey, or go under the hood to see how AI gateways work internally. We can also cover building multi-model AI agents, setting up advanced observability, exploring the Model Context Protocol tool ecosystem, or looking at the broader enterprise AI stack. Let us know in the comments which topic we should cover next. Thanks for watching.